just so you guys can know, I'm gonna be shouting out a person every time I do a tutorial now. The first person who comments, I'm gonna be hearting their comment, I'm gonna be pinning it, I'm gonna be liking it también. So just make sure you have the notifications on, like the video if you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys do. Another thing I want to tell you guys is that I'm gonna be showing you guys I don't know, every time I make a tutorial at the end of the video, so wait on that, so like you guys can learn. I'm gonna be doing simple shit right now for now, and then I'm gonna be doing like more shit. Once I run out of simple shit, I'm gonna be doing more shit for the people who know more. Para las personas que hablan español, lo que dije es que les voy a mandar un saludo a una persona. El que comente primero. Si hablas español, please, por favor, dime para que le mande un saludo en español. Y pues, otra cosa es que les voy a enseñar un adorno cada vez que haga un tutorial al final del video, so esperen eso. Voy a hacer cosas simples por ahorita, pero en el futuro, cuando acabe con todo lo simple que yo sé, les voy a enseñar lo más difícil para los que saben más. Pero ya vamos a empezar con la canción. Vamos a empezar, les voy a enseñar cómo lo toco siempre para las personas que no saben tanto. Luego les voy a enseñar cómo yo la toco todas las veces. Así es como se toca, es bien simple, solo 4 tonos, repito, por toda la canción. Y les voy a enseñar como yo la toco, con todos los adornos que le he hecho. No son tantos, pero de chicoteo se suena como mucho. Y pues así de simple, it's that simple, 4 tonos, nothing hard. And pues ese es todo el video. Well, how you guys have seen, that is my style of the song. And well, I'm gonna be showing you guys that I don't know real quick, so you guys won't sound like. And I'm not gonna start with this video because I don't know who commented in my last video first. My bad. There's a lot of comments. Thanks to everybody who comments first and everything. It means a lot. But I'm gonna start it on the next tutorial, so comment down on this one. Hopefully you guys get shouted out on the video. Good luck to everybody. But fucking that I don't know is one that I did on this song. So it's just simple. So I'm gonna show you guys. That's how you do it. It's something simple, but it sounds nice. It's like a little sliding. I don't know. You know, it's just a little, I don't know, so you guys can learn. Hopefully it did teach you guys something. I'm gonna do it right now so you guys can like see better, so I can show you guys better. I don't know if you guys seen, but like slow is just no. And that is a song that goes with this song, so if you guys want to try it, go for it. And if you guys know that one, then check out the next video for another. I don't know. I won't be doing one every time. And, you know, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Puro maling bass en la música es todo. Comment down what video I should comment down. Comment down what video I should do next. Comment down what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see some different shit, some pranks, give me some prank ideas. I'll prank anybody. Puro maling bass.